In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excalidraw in Obsidian for quick sketches and diagrams. If you've ever wished you could sketch an idea right alongside your notes, you're in the right place. Excalidraw is a lightweight drawing canvas that lives inside Obsidian, so you can capture diagrams, flows, and quick visual notes without leaving your workspace. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can be up and running in minutes. Start by opening Obsidian on your desktop. Then open the note where you want your drawing to live. It can be a project note, a daily note, or any page where a visual will help you think more clearly. Placing the drawing directly in the note keeps your context and your sketch together, which is great for staying organized. Next, look to the right-hand ribbon and click the Excalidraw icon. This opens the Excalidraw panel. Choose New Drawing to create a blank canvas. You'll see a roomy, infinite style space and a simple toolbar. Think of this as your whiteboard inside Obsidian. You can zoom in and out if you need more room and pan around to arrange your ideas. Use the toolbar to add shapes, text, and lines, or switch to the freehand tool if you prefer sketching by hand. Rectangles and circles are perfect for boxes and nodes, arrows show connections, and text lets you label everything clearly. You can adjust colors and line thickness to create visual hierarchy, making key parts stand out. If you're diagramming a process, try combining shapes with arrows and short labels for quick clarity. When you want to change something, switch to Select. With Select active, click any object to move it or drag the handles to resize. You can select multiple items to move them together, and if you want cleaner proportions, hold Shift while resizing to keep shapes uniform. Nudge with your arrow keys for precise positioning so everything lines up neatly. When your sketch looks good, click Save. This embeds the drawing directly in your note, so it appears right where you were writing. Saving keeps your canvas linked to the note and makes it easy to reference or share later. You can continue typing above or below the embedded drawing to add context or action items. If you want to make changes later, just click the drawing in the note and choose Edit in Excalidraw. Your original canvas reopens with all shapes and text intact, so you can tweak, expand, or refine without starting over. You can now create and edit drawings directly in Obsidian using Excalidraw. Subscribe for more simple tutorials.